Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making these cute jellyfish charms. They're super cute and easy, and let's get into it. So the materials that you will need for this project is going to be a rainbow loom, a hook, and elastics. For this jellyfish, I use blue for the whole entire body. Today I'm going to be using purple. And you're going to need a color for your eyes. I used black. I recommend using black because it makes it look better. And you only need 2 rubber bands for that. And let's get started. So first up, what we're going to do, we're going to get our loom and we're going to turn it upside down so the red arrow is pointing down. And these pins are in a N shape like this. So now you're going to take 2 of your color. I'm going to be using purple. So we're going to be using 2 bands for almost the whole project. So you are going to take 2 of your color and you're going to put it from the center pin down like this. Then you're going to take another 2 rubber bands and from the center pin to the left. Then to the center pin to the right, and then from this right pin down, from this center pin, from the center pin down, and from this left pin down again, like this. So our next step is going to be the same thing. We're just going to be going from this left pin down and continuing this pattern 2 more times like this. So I got 1 more row here and we're going to do 1 more row. Like this. Like this. So our next step is going to be adding these little fins. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on our hook, we're gonna get our hook, and we're gonna get the same color, only 1, and wrap it around your hook 3 times, like this. Then you're gonna get 2 of your color and slide this band on like this. So back on our loom, we're going to put this on here. So like this. So one end goes here and one end goes above. So like this. We're going to do the same step on the other side. So again, 1 of your color and wrap it around 3 times. A double of your band and slide it on like this. And again, back on your loom, and one end goes here and another end goes here like this. So now what we're gonna do, we are going to keep repeating this step until we reach these pins here. So we're just going to be getting a double of your bands and going up like, or down like this. Like this, and you're gonna stop here. So I'm now placing my last row of bands like this. So now you should have placed bands like this and leaving 1 set of pins with no bands. So we are now going to add cap bands. We're going to get 1 of your color and you're going to wrap it around this right pin 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. You're going to do that same step for these two. So again, 1, 2, 3. And last one, 1, 2, and 3. So now what we're going to do, we're going to make our eyes. So we're going to scoot up our loom when you see these bands here. So you're going to take a single black rubber band and you're going to wrap it around this pin 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, you're going to look at this band and you're going to place it on this hook and wrap it around 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, like this. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna place some bands, some more bands. So we're gonna take one single of your color and you're going to go on this pin, this left pin up to this right pin, forming a triangle shape. Take another of your pin, of your color, sorry, not of your pin. And make sure to push your bands down so you have some more space. So to this left pin, up to the right pin. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take another single band and we're gonna place it on these two. And you're gonna take your hook and you're gonna grab these two and place it up like this. Another choice of you doing this is going up to the left pin, and you're going to go around and then place it on this pin. I prefer placing it on these two pins, taking your hook and doing it like this. So we are now going to start the hooking process. So we are going to hook the eyes first. So grab your hook and make sure you don't go on the inside, you go from the outside. Make sure to grab only your black band. You're gonna hook it over like this. So this black band is pinching this band. So again, you're going to go from the outside. Hook it over so it's pinching it like this. So now you're gonna go to the bottom of your loom and we're gonna start hooking it like a single chain. So we're gonna go past this cap band and take your bottom 2 bands and hook it over like this. Past the cap band, hook it over like this, and again past the cap band and hook it up. So you're just going to repeat that step until you get to this part where this part is like this and stop right there. I'll show you how to go on from there. So you should have stopped right here. So again, you're gonna hook it normally up to here and here and here, like this. So now what we're gonna do on this left pin, you're gonna go through and you're gonna push past this band. Actually, you're gonna go through all of them and grab the bottom 2 bands. So you're not hooking this, you're hooking this. So make sure to be careful when you hook it up. It's gonna be a little tight, so do it slowly and slowly place it on. So we're not gonna be hooking these parts because you want them sticking out like this. And again, you're gonna go through all of them and you're going to be grabbing this band and you're going to go ahead and do that. And you're going to hook it up slowly because there's a lot of bands on this pin, so slowly hook it up so your bands don't snap. And here you're just going to grab all of the bands that's here, and again you're going to push through this cap band and grab the bottom 2. It's gonna be a tight. And here, push past the cap band. Up here, push past the cap band and up again. And you're going to repeat that same step like so. So once you have reached this, you're going to take your left band and you're going to hook it up to the center pin. Oh, I dropped it. Sorry. Oh. And if you drop it, it's okay. Just try to make the best out of it. Again, so I only hooked one, so you're going to hook both of them. And then the right pin, like this. And then you're going to go through all of the bands, and you're going to grab the bottom two. So it is very important to pull it slowly because there are lots of bands on this, and you're gonna pull it over slowly like this because there's a lot of bands. And then here, to create this slip knot, we're going to grab, we're going to go from the outside, so we're going to grab the bottom band and we're just going to hook it over like this. So we're going to grab this band and we're going to extend it till it makes a pretty tight slip knot here, and you're just going to let it go like this. And you can start taking your jellyfish off your loom. So I'm now taking my jellyfish off the last pin like this. So you should stretch it out so it gets a little into its shape, and make sure to locate like these 3 bands and hook them, not hook them, and pull them out to the side like this. And keep pulling it till it gets its shape. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial on how to make these cute jellyfish rainbow loom charms. They are so easy to make, and they require not much effort, in my opinion. So these are very cute, easy. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on charms. So thanks again so much for watching, and like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.